And India is hosting the BRICS Foreign Ministers meeting on 14th and 15th of May. Meeting will be chaired by EAM Jaishankar. Iran's Foreign Minister Araghchi will also attend the meeting, and this multilateral forum is critical at a time when the tensions are running high due to West Asia war. Sumita filed this report earlier. Let's take a look.
That's right. It's an important development as far as the BRICS Foreign Ministers meeting is concerned. This happens even as the shadow of the West Asia war looms large over the group's meeting, the Foreign Ministers meeting. Remember, the BRICS summit is scheduled to happen later this year in India in September. But as far as this meeting is concerned, there is a key concern as well. Since it's happening during the time of the West Asia war, will there be consensus as far as the members are concerned, given the fact that they have competing interests? For example, the UAE and Iran, they might not agree, to one sort of a statement, to one sort of a stance. So will there be a joint statement on the West Asia war? That remains to be seen, and that is the key challenge. Now, India has positioned itself as a consensus builder, as a bridge builder. So definitely it's going to be important for India as well. As far as the BRICS Foreign Ministers meeting is concerned, all the key members of the BRICS grouping are going to be attending this meeting. There is, of course, Sergei Lavrov, the Russian foreign minister, who's attending the meeting. Also attending the meeting reportedly is Saeed Abbas Araghchi, the Iranian foreign minister. Remember, this is the first visit of the Iranian foreign minister to India. After the West Asia war essentially started, he will be meeting the external affairs minister, of course, and then possibly a call on the prime minister as well. As far as the agenda of the BRICS foreign ministers meeting is concerned, besides the West Asia war, well, there's going to be deliberations on energy security as well, given the fact that ramifications of concerns on energy have been felt by one and all, including India as well. Economic cooperation is going to be important. Trade amongst BRICS nations, that will be discussed, along with a reform of global institutions. So all of these are going to be on the agenda.
Okay, Sumita, thanks so much for joining us with all those details.